Reminder, warning means one is happening and you should take shelter. A watch means there is the potential and should be ready to seek shelter if the weather gets worse. Of course, there are a list of things that you definitely want to hear out. Have your weather radio, have your phones charged, all of those things you definitely want to have, because today is one of those important days, Amber, where we're seeing across the country that the system that's headed this way is wreaking havoc.
Absolutely. Also, another reminder, if you are going to send in reports, be safe about it. Yes. That's the most important thing. We want you to be safe about it. We appreciate all the reports that you have to send, but if you're going to be in harm's way, don't worry about it. Wait until the storm passes. We would rather you be safe. Looking outside at this hour, we're beginning to see added cloud cover across the state as this first wave of severe thunderstorms gets ready to move into central Indiana. For Live Guardian radar, most locations still dry within our area, but it is certainly turning active across Illinois. There are a handful of severe thunderstorm warnings with this line. It is a Boeing line, and that is producing some very strong wind gusts, still having the potential of having wind gusts anywhere from 70 to 80 miles per hour with this line of thunderstorms. And this is the first round that we are going to see for today. You can see the thunderstorm warnings that are in effect and a lot of lightning associated with it. At this point, we haven't had any tornado warnings within the line, but there is a chance that we could have a spin up within the apex, which is the leading edge of the squall line. So it is something we're going to have to closely monitor well into the afternoon as this does continue to track to the south-southeast. There is a tornado watch in effect across central Illinois, and it isn't in effect just yet for central Indiana, but we will let you know if any watches or warnings are issued immediately. Showing you the latest severe weather outlook, we have been upgraded to a moderate risk in the Indianapolis area. This moderate risk does include the northwest quadrant of central Indiana, and now it looks more concentrated that we are going to have that tornado threat within the western part of the state, just west of the Indianapolis area, but fair game across central Indiana. It's just looking greater in eastern Illinois and into northwestern parts of our viewing area. Damaging straight line winds over 80 miles per hour going to be a possibility for today. A large hail, and we will have a risk for tornadoes to develop and the risk for flash flooding within some of those heavier downpours that set up. Let's go ahead and break down the timeline for you, because we have storms moving in anytime between noon and 1 o'clock this afternoon. It is first going to impact our western and northwestern counties and then slide across the state during the afternoon hours. This is 4:30 p.m. where we have some of the stronger storms moving right over the Indy Metro at that time, but there will be some additional thunderstorm development happening to the northwest of us, and that is going to continue to drop into the area well into the evening. So we're thinking two waves. Until 5 o'clock, we have that initial wave that's going to produce more of a damaging straight line wind threat. And then the secondary threat is with tornadoes, rotating thunderstorms, still having damaging winds and large hail in the mix. This is going to continue well into the evening. When I stop Futurecast, this shows midnight, and it still looks quite active across the state at that time. When we fast forward to 2 o'clock in the morning and the southeastern portion of the state, and then it moves out after 3 o'clock in the morning. That's why it's so important to stay weather aware, especially when we have that severe weather risk after sunset. It's difficult to see anything that is happening outdoors, so you will want to turn on the weather radios, or you can download our free Weather Authority app. And of course, our team, we're going to keep a close eye on things for you throughout the day. 72 for the temperature right now, 68 Lafayette. Dew points are going to rise into the 60s, and that's going to help fuel the thunderstorm activity later on today as high temperatures approach 79 degrees. Highs today just a slightly below average. We still have the potential for very strong wind gusts not associated with the thunderstorms. We could have wind gusts anywhere from 40 to 45 miles per hour. Storm chances continue tonight. 65 is going to be the low temperature. 76 for the high tomorrow, partly sunny skies. It's going to be much quieter for tomorrow, although we still have breezy conditions in place. 77 Friday, quiet for the end of the week, mostly cloudy. Chance for a few showers Saturday, 79 degrees. Father's Day and the first day of summer, highs and lower 80s with the storm chance. Daniel?
Amber, thank you so much. Still ahead.